Welcome to Technia TV. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar. Today I am delivering lecture on types of data in research methodology. There are four basic ways of quantifying the variables. They are also called levels of measurement or a scale of measurement. These are commonly referred as first one nominal scale, second one ordinal or rank scale, third one equal interval scale, and fourth one ratio scale. Now, what is nominal scale? The nominal scale is the least precise or crude of the four basic scales of measurement. It simply implies the classification of an item into two or more categories without any extent or magnitude. There is no particular order assigned to them. The frequency or numbers are used to give a name to something that may be used for determining percent. There is no particular order assigned to them. The frequency or numbers are used to give a name to something that may be used for determining percent mode. For example, boys and girls, pass and fail, rural and urban. Now, what is ordinal scale? The ordinal scale is more precise scale than the nominal scale. It allows the teacher to assign values by placing of arranging the observation in relative rank order. No value is assigned to the distances to the positions of rankings. This scale assigns observation to categories by number and arranges them in some logical order. It does not require the relationship of equivalence but also requires one observation to be greater or lesser than the other. This scale is used frequently in the schools for prize distribution and to provide the motivations by the technique of competition. In asking the questions, teacher considers the place of a student in the class. Now, what is equal interval scale? The equal interval scale is more precise and refined scale than nominal and ordinal scales. This scale has all the characteristics and relationship of the ordinal scale, besides which distances between any two numbers on the scale are known. The 0 point and the unit of measurement used on the scale are arbitrarily assumed. A linear relationship is established in the equal interval scale. The equal interval scale has the greater use in teaching, learning situations, educational administration, educational guidance and counseling, and educational research. The effectiveness of any instructional procedure can be evaluated precisely by collecting the data on this scale. The measurement in education is usually done on equal interval scale. The dependable inferences are drawn in educational research by collecting evidences on equal interval scale. Now, what is ratio scale? Ratio scale has the properties of equal interval scale plus two additional characteristics. First one, this scale has a true rather than arbitrary 0. It is possible to indicate the complete absence of property. The 0 point on a centimeter scale indicates the absence of height. However, the 0 point on the Fahrenheit temperature scale does not indicate the absence of temperature. This is a scale with 0 defined arbitrarily. Second one, the ratio scale's numerals have the qualities of real numbers and can be added, subtracted, multiplied and divided. Now, what do you mean by the data collection? In the behavioral science, data are collected by administering various types of research tools of the human sample subjects. The different traits and characteristics are quantified by using measurable instruments. These research tools provide different types of data. It is very essential for the research worker to understand the traits, tools and types of data. This is culmination of my lecture on types of data. Hope you will find useful for research methodology purpose. Watch more lecture on research methodology. Subscribe Technia TV. Thanks.